Sacred Heart High School, 6th Standard, History. Chapter 1, The Indian Subcontinent and History. Part 1. In this chapter, we will learn 1.1, Geographical Conditions and the Course of History. 1.2, Geographical Features of India. So let's begin. Dear students, in the 5th standard, we saw at some length that there is a close relationship between man and his environment. We saw how the changes in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology were related to the changes in his surroundings. We also reviewed that the history of the human civilization from the Stone Age to the agricultural civilizations that flourished on the banks of rivers. History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. Coherent means logical and consistent. Time, place, society and individuals are the 4 major pillars of history. We cannot write history without them. Of these 4 components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. Inseparable means cannot be separated. Our diet, clothing, housing, occupation, in fact, all human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics. For example, in the hilly regions, the life of the people is more strenuous than that of the people living on the plains. Strenuous means difficult. Grains and vegetables are scarce in these regions as not much fertile land is available. Thus, people depend more on hunting and gathering of their food. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live are the sources of our livelihood. Flora refers to plants and fauna refers to animals. They also influence the lifestyle and the culture of a region. Human settlements have developed in the places where the means of living are plentiful. These settlements further developed into villages and towns. But sometimes reasons like degradation, drought, invasions, etc. leads to the scarcity of those means. Invasion means when a foreign army forcefully enters in any country. Due to all these reasons, people are forced to leave their settlements. As a result, villages and towns become deserted. We see many such instances in history. Thus, we can say that there is a close relationship between history and geography. Let's continue with 1.2, Geographical Features of India. India is a large country, having Himalaya towards its north, the Bay of Bengal towards east, the Arabian Sea towards west, and the Indian Ocean towards south. Except for the islands of Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, the rest of the country is contiguous. Contiguous means sharing a common border. When we study the ancient history of India, that is, before 1947, today's Pakistan and Bangladesh were the part of India. We will continue in part 2.